Yeah, just had a conversation there with 3-4 Alpha Tango Juliet 100, or it is 3-4 Alpha Tango 0100. Well, you can hear for yourself anyway there in the middle of the vlog anyway. So 3-4 division anyway, Canary Islands. Do enjoy. We're jumping there from 3 Alpha Tango, well the 3-4 Alpha Tango, either Juliet 100 or 0100, one or the other. That's who I was having the chat with anyway. That's the main one there that I made a QSO with. You did hear, well, we heard him speaking to the 26th Division, England, 26 Alpha Tango 379, but I didn't have the QSO. Just to clarify, the only person I did have a QSO was at 3-4 Alpha Tango, either Juliet or 0100, one or the other, just to clarify that there. As I say, with the radio there, once it's going on, you'd have a lot going on, but I probably missed either the J or the 0. But you can hear it for yourself there, and you can make up your own minds and that there. But we did make the contact anyway there to Canary Islands. So here we go. We'll see what is on the channel here now. A very good evening. Welcome now to the next vlog. See if there's any more activity on the Okai, and all that carry on. See if there's any noise. You have the 29 Charlie Tango 033. Operation name here is John Juliet Oscar Hotel November. I'm here in the central of Ireland, in County Tipperary, near a small town of Thurles. Tango Hotel, Uniform Romeo Echo Lima Sierra. So we'll see what's making, if there's any noise or this and that. See what's happening. It's kind of a day there, probably won't be able to make contact, but I will be able to tell you there who's making the trip across, which countries are making the trip across here to the central of Ireland. Central of Ireland, let's see what kind of activity. I might know the division number straight away, but I will have it in the name of this vlog. I will have the different countries there that make contact and all that carry on. Let's say with the country number followed by their own what do you call it, their own country there and that. So happy days. Do enjoy, hope you do. If you do enjoy the vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, or even if you don't do all of that, just give a thumbs up in the comments. Just thumbs up in the comments, that's all you have to do. No worries, or you don't have to do it, but you know what I mean. If you'd like to, up to yourselves. So if you enjoy what you like, just thumbs up. Right, enough said. Down to, and we'll see if there's any activity on 27555 USB. See if there's any noise. CQ, you have the 29 Charlie Tango 033 standing by. CQ, you have the 29 Charlie Tango 033, any stations thereby?
Hello, CQ, calling CQ. Hello, CQ, DX, CQ. am 3 Delta Alpha 1480. Key is Y27 510.
510, we go.
Calling CQDX. I am 3 Delta Alpha 148. QRZ.
3 Delta Alpha 148. You have 29 Charlie Tango 033, Republic of Ireland.
001. I copy 001. I am 3 Delta Alpha 148. 3 Delta Alpha 148. 001 completely take order.
3 Delta Alpha 148. That is Brazil. Brazil. Hovering a little bit, but yeah, it's just kind of in and out. He's speaking to 26th Division, the United Kingdom. So you have United Kingdom, England, speaking to Brazil. Now, I can't hear the United Kingdom, but I do hear Brazil. CQ, you have the 29 Charlie Tango 033, any stations thereby? Now, that just kind of, the conditions just kind of went, he's still there, but he'll come back again now in a minute. CQ, you have the 29 Division, Republic of Ireland, Charlie Tango 033. Any stations that would like a QSO, chit chat or whatever, can you QSY 27.550, 27.550. Many thanks. CQ, you have the 29 Charlie Tango 033. Any stations thereby? CQ, you have the 29 Charlie Tango 033. Any stations thereby? CQ, you got the 29 Charlie Tango 033. Any stations thereby for a possible QSO? Yes, I am out there. You have the 29 Charlie Tango 033.
Calling CQDX, calling CQDX, calling CQ, calling CQDX, calling CQ, calling CQDX. Decided 34 Alpha Tango, Judah 100. 34 Alpha Tango, Judah 100 on 27470.
470. 470. We'll try and 34 division. Alpha Tango. Now I did say, sorry, I'm too late. 470.
26 Alpha Tango 379. 26 Alpha Tango 379.
Too late. Too late. Right, I might get the next one.
QRZ. Please stand by. 161 division, 161 division, complete your call. Activation, calling secure ERT activation. 3 Alpha Tango, separation, uniform.
So we had the first gentleman that's on 470. Then you have 3 Alpha Tango, which is booked in.
Whiskey Golf Charlie, 161 Whiskey Golf Charlie 231, 505, you are in the lock.
161 division, then is Poland.
26 in November, Whiskey
And 26
in November,
United
Whiskey
Kingdom.
91, that is correct. Please complete your unit number, please. Okay, 26 November Whiskey 01. 26 November Whiskey 01, 505. You are in the lock.
29 Charlie Tango 033, standing by.
My location is Tenerife Island, right?
Oh, Tenerife.
Tango separation, Utah 100. 3 Alpha Tango separation, Utah.
So 34 division is Tenerife.
34 Alpha Tango, Judah 100. 34 Alpha Tango, Judah 100. QSF.
34 Alpha Tango Juliet 100. You've the 29 Charlie Tango 033, standing by.
Primo Alfa Tango cuarto, no. Primo Alfa Tango cuarto, no. 59, estás en el lock.
There's a few different channels, stations, few different stations. And they're all just talking across each other.
29 Sugar Delta, go ahead.
So we have a 29 Sugar Delta in Republic. So you have 29 United Kingdom, Tenerife.
Okay, 29 Sugar Delta 107. 29 Sugar Delta 107, 515. What is the lock?
29 Charlie Tango 033, standing by. 29 Charlie Tango 033, standing by.
Primo Alfa Lima Echo, west. Primo Alfa Lima Echo, Primo Terzo, 59, estás en el lock.
29 Charlie Tango 033, operation name here is John Juliet, Oscar Hotel, November. Yes, unit 033. You have 29 Charlie Tango 033, my friend. 29 Charlie Tango 033. Yes, that is correct 100%. You're 5-7 crystal clear radio 5, my friend.
Okay, thank you very much for your call, my friend. 5-7, you are in the lock.
5-7, I'm in the log. Over to the Tenerife. Happy days. If you like what you see and all that, don't forget to like, subscribe. So we got into the Tenerife there. Happy days, 5-7. So happy days. So delighted with that there. So if you like what you see and all that, carry on. Don't forget to like, subscribe and all that, carry on. So till then, 73s, 51s, cheers. Cheers.